through my window in June, and it feels like the first time I met you. Oh, daylight is breaking through my window in June, and it feels like life is coming into view, and it feels like every time I'm with you.
Baby, taba! Bakit ako mataba?
Ay, ba't sa akin nakatingin?
Am I crazy? Tell me, baby, is it premature to tell you how I feel? Because lately I'm thinking maybe
Choose your gift in Dubai.
well, I'd like to take you up and treat you right, and hide under the stars until the morning light. I'd like to take you up and treat you right, right up until my dying day. Wanna treat you right for life.
This is it!
Daylight is fading and my waiting is through, and it feels like time is running out too. Am I crazy? Tell me, baby, is it premature to tell you how I feel? Because lately I'm thinking maybe that this thing we finally found is something real. Well, I'd like to take you up and treat you right, and hide under the stars until the morning light. I'd like to take you up and treat you right, right up until my dying day. Wanna treat you right for life.
Baby, thank you kasi alam mo naman yung story natin eh. Like, parang magulo, alam mo naman yun na hindi natin expect na darating tayo sa punto na, yan, kakasal na pala tayo.
Kaya, ayun, who would have thought, diba? Kasi nasa TikTok pala yung pag-ibig ko.
We walked about.
Alam ko magtatampo ka kasi hindi ko pinagandaan yung regalo ko sa'yo, pero huwag ka mag-alala dahil yung ireregalo ko sa'yo, yung gusto mo na camera na Canon. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang bahala mamili doon. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal kita.
The highways are reaching, and all the
Hello, baby. Alam ko kung gaano mo kagusto ang magkalapate kasi isa to sa mga nagpapasaya sa'yo. Kaya lagi mo tatandaan na suportado kita sa lahat ng gusto mo. I love you so much. Alagaan mo mabuti. Si Banker and Boxer.
Gamitin mo yung regalo ko para kunan mga masasayang araw mo at natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
I forgot what it's like to be believed in.
Salamat kasi nung mga time na bumabangon ako, di mo ako pinabayaan. Di mo ako talagang, di mo ako sinukuan.
Iikot. Kahit nasa baba ako, babaligtad yan ulit. Katulad ngayon, di ba, nare-redeem na ulit natin yung sarili natin. And sobrang happy ko kasi, ito na tayo, di ba? Parang kailan lang, iyak tayo ng iyak.
Remember this. Our sexuality is not a choice, but happiness is. Happiness is a choice. Love is a decision, and this is the decision you make. Always pray together. A simple prayer matters in a relationship. If you need to go to church, you go to church together. Ang pinunta nyo naman doon ay si Lord at hindi ang tao. Amen?
Yung relationship natin with God, iba solid talaga. Kaya, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na kapag yung relasyon pala talaga, sentro si Lord. Kahit na, alam mo yun, iba yung ginajudge ng mga ibang, yung mga tao, ginajudge nila yung relationship na meron tayo. Pero ang hindi nila alam na we have a deep relationship with God.
Mahal kita, Webby. Alam mo yan, since day one. Ito na. Mas mamahalin pa kita. Taalagaan hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Thank you. I love you so much.
Asahan mo na lagi ako nasa tabi mo, hindi lang sa mga laban mo sa ring, pati mga laban mo sa buhay. And mamahalin kita habang buhay hanggat nabubuhay ako.
Kiss me while I waste down now.